Hi guys, it's me Sean, and today we're making brownies by Ghiradelli. Today I'll be using Ghiradelli. I'll be making double chocolate brownies with Ghiradelli brownie milks, water, vegetable oil, water, egg, my bowl, my mixer, and my spoon and my mixer. And you have to So first, I'll be preheating the oven to 325 degrees. I'll be using this aluminum foil pan since I don't really have those brownie pans. So first, I'll be adding my water, and then the oil, the vegetable oil, and now the egg. So now that I finished blending in it, I'm going to be adding the brownie mix. Open up the packet. The brownie mix. This is like, So I open up the brownie mix, and so now let's put in the brownie mix, and then I'll mix it up again. I blend it up again. Now let's blend it up. Now that's all mixed, and it smells so good. I wish you guys could try it. I wish you guys could smell it. It really smells so good. So now I'm putting it in here. I'm adding my ingredients, Hershey chocolate. It's so hard to open, kind of. Add my special ingredient. It's chocolate Hershey. Now let's put this in the oven. So now our brownies ready. It's all cut up, and now let's eat it.
So how does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
But sometimes you stink. Febreze Air Effects doesn't just mask, it cleans away odors. Because the things you love can stink.
Now please subscribe, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace.